Network Entertainment.
Good evening, Staplers. I have a very important confession and announcement to make. All right, here it goes. I, Jad Gregorio, don't actually hate Vietnamese food. I tried it recently and it's super good. I want to book a trip there now. Instead, I hate Korean food. Kimchi, no joke lang. No, that's just a joke. Because what I'm about to say is a bit
I love
more
kimchi,
serious.
by the way.
Oh yes, probiotics sponsor us. But, I'm just saying that to cushion the next part because this part's not a joke na. I've decided to step away from the podcast, from Walang Edit with Leland Lim. I can already feel a lot of people going, "Yay!" Or one of the Pod Network people, see Jeff, is like jumping up and down. Pero yeah, I'll elaborate on this siguro more. Pero after a lot of reflecting over the past few months, I decided that although this podcast is super great, top 24, baby.
Sometimes.
I decided it's no longer a creative fit anymore for me. And yeah, I personally decided na I want to move forward creatively in a different way. But I don't think this is how I want to move forward creatively, by leaving the podcast. And there's no dramatic reason, no complicated reason. I'm not being sued by I don't know, the stapler companies. It's just a me thing lang. Very no drama, very boring reason. It's just a me thing. But it's not to say na it's an easy decision. It's not. It's a super hard decision. Lalo na I have to say goodbye to the millions of pesos Leland and I get every week.
Yeah.
But harder than saying goodbye to the money. It's saying goodbye to you guys. Oh, and I can feel people go,
Yeah.
we don't even know your name.
That's not true.
Okay.
That's not true.
But it's
You're
gonna
the
be-
reason why we have merch.
Oh, by the way, Project PH, guys. Get your merch. Walang edit merch. But yeah, it's gonna be tough leaving the show because I love hearing the comments we get from you guys, even the ones that say I'm too conyo. I'm gonna miss hanging out with Leland. Leland, I'm gonna bring you out into frame. You're my big bro in comedy, even though you're younger than me in life.
Am I?
Yeah, a few months.
94 ka ba?
95, pero
Gago, 95, same year.
we're months apart.
Okay.
So I'm gonna miss
Technicalities.
you bullying me in front of
I
our
never did.
64,000 listeners. And I'm gonna miss all the cool guests I get to meet and offend, like si Aaron.
Aaron.
Sorry, Aaron. And I'm gonna miss this whole show and all the fans. So yeah, definitely a hard decision. But I'll be around. I'll be in the Facebook group. Please follow our Facebook. Join our Facebook
Hindi, wala
group.
na. Aalisin ka na.
By the way, we're 2,000 members na. Thank you! Tapos when I leave, it's gonna be 1.9 na. Sakto, no? Sakto pala. But yeah, that's it for me. And then we'll, I guess, talk about what we're gonna do moving forward.
Yeah. Can you please
Do the honors.
do the honors?
All right, guys.
Because I think, okay, let me preface this by saying that when a conyo leaves,
this is a natural
yeah,
truth.
when a conyo leaves, another conyo arrives.
Yeah.
So,
And just like an iPhone, it's usually a better model. It's more conyo, but more
better
guapo.
interface.
Better face as well. Smarter even. More smart technology.
Right.
Better software. By the way, so it's my honor to introduce a good friend of me and Leland, one of the hardest working comedians in Comedy Manila, a conyo comedian himself too. One of the nicest guys I've ever
Probably
met.
the best face.
It's safe to say. I think it's like
Lahat ng comedian pag hinarap mo
Yeah.
alam mo yung pagkapapipiliin ka ng dalawa. Laging siya yung matitira.
Yeah, no
Alam mo yun?
competition.
Pau or this. Ganyan. Pau or this.
I mean, I know Leland and I are smoking hot men, but we know our place. we bow in front of this guy.
I never claimed that I was,
Tipong when he started doing comedy and he was getting laughs, we were like, oh, it's not fair, man. Leave some stuff for us. But without further ado, please welcome our guest co-host for Walang Edit, Mr. Pau Katigbak, everybody! Yeah! How are you, Pau?
Man, I don't know how to live up to that introduction, man.
I mean,
but yeah, I'm
you're doing
happy
it
to be
already.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being
Pakita
here.
mo na yung face card mo, Pao.
Yeah.
Dito yung camera. Dito. Ayan.
But
Ayan.
not too long because this podcast will explode out of too much guaponess.
Oh God.
But I think it's the best.
Pero-
Okay, it's getting vain.
yeah, please.
Yeah, you'll elaborate more on your departure later.
Yeah,
Pero
like
just to give context, bakit si Pao yung nandito ngayon? Kasi, okay, when we started rebranding the podcast, which was called Let Leland Lim, di ba? And then, thanks to Pod Network, na-absorb tayo. And then, sabi ko, pwede ba tayo mag-rebrand ng konti? But I didn't know what to call the podcast.
the
I didn't
origin
know,
story.
like, ano dapat yung title, yung pangalan.
Kasi dati Let Leland Lim.
Oh, like, what the fuck? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Tapos na,
Yeah.
di ba? Talo na si Lenny, ganyan. Wala na siyang sense.
We don't want to attach ourselves to losers.
No, bro! Come on! Madam! Baka naman.
I'm leaving.
Alis na yan.
I'm leaving.
Alis na yan.
You can come here.
Ah.
I'm gone.
Yeah. Pero, Pao was actually our brainstorming partner.
Yes. Sa isang gotohan, we
Sa
were,
isang
Yes,
gotohan.
we were
eating in goto
Goto
place.
tendon, baka naman.
Yes.
Yes.
So, pinag-usapan namin doon, ano ba pwedeng pangalan ng
Yeah.
podcast? And then, we were brainstorming. Judd was like, that's nice. Yeah, What
Yeah.
else? What else?
Anyways,
guys?
I'll have an ice cream.
But yeah, sabi ko, if ever a spot opens up, automatically si Pao yung kukunin natin. And,
And thank you
Man
guys.
of his word. Man
Yes.
of his
very,
word.
very,
Ah.
very thankful, guys.
so how do you feel, bro? Full circle?
Full circle, but
Because
it's
that
also
was like June or
yeah, pretty much
May, parang
Yeah.
ganun, last year.
Summertime.
And it's definitely big shoes to fill.
Yeah, I'm a size
And,
8. 9 pala, 9.
9, okay, ladies.
Sorry. 9.
Hindi, may iba per ano eh. Diba? Depending on what kind of shoe.
9 if I'm lying. Anyway.
But yeah, it's I'm very thankful for the opportunity, and I'm excited to see what happens.
Okay.
You're in good hands, man.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
This guy will,
Kasi sabi ni Pao dati, nung nag-ayos pa tayo, yeah, I can be like your Jamie, blah, blah, blah.
Dude, I'll be on the side looking stuff up on a computer. It's like, oh, tama.
And true enough, I think a little backstory for the mga diehard fans. Remember the Julia episode?
Yeah.
There was a guy in the side who was like, helping us fact check stuff or like giving us
Yeah,
jokes.
it was Pao.
It was Pao.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
We didn't even ask him to do that.
he was a natural kagad. But ayun, man. Excited for you, dude.
Alam mo saan ako
thank you.
nape-pressure? Sa susuotin ko. Kasi kailangan ko mag-compliment din. So
Oh,
parang...
man, he's just not. Nah, man, it's not. You don't have to dress that good too, man.
Okay, I'll change.
No, if
For
you
you
take it
guys.
off, that's even worse.
By the way, alam ko iniisip nyo ngayon na naghanap pa ng isang konyo si Lilan para palitan yung isang konyo. You are correct, but
But other than that,
other than that, Pao is really great when it comes to conversations.
Yes.
And I like how he thinks, how he articulates shit. So parang,
what was the name again? Would you want to say the name? We took us hours and we
Yeah,
found the
I
name.
remember.
yeah, ano pa ba yung mga
It was
names ng podcast?
we had. I remember the
The final
final
Me
one.
too.
Because that one really stuck.
What was
Kasi sobrang ganda.
3, 2, 1. Let's say it
It's
again. 3, 2, 1. The crowd favorite. Yeah.
That was
okay.
the final brainchild of what we decided
Yeah,
to have.
sobrang close.
Crowd favorite.
Sobrang close.
Sobrang close sa walang edit.
There are some letters
Yeah.
naman.
It's time for your crowd favorite question.
Because it does make sense. Like
Missed
it's very
opportunity,
fun.
Pod Network. Missed
Oo.
opportunity.
Sayang. Pero yeah, like, okay, I wanna talk about
All right, let's get into
the
it.
departure. Kasi we never got to talk about it really.
Yeah,
The reason behind you leaving. Oh, very vague ka magsabi. Na parang, I'm trying to focus on myself. Gotta go in my own way. Shut up, Troy. Ganun yung mga sinasabi mo.
What about us?
What about us?
All right, so yeah.
So, what are you gonna do that
Alright.
would fill the joy and happiness that you get from this podcast?
It's gonna be a hard void to fill, but I have one more confession, bro. I think the real meaning behind this creative direction I'm gonna take is I will now take my talents to Dog Show Divas. Let's go!
Let's go!
DDS.
He
man.
is the new dog show puppy.
Yeah, or you can't spell DDS without JUDD.
The puppy show diva pala. Bobo na
Yeah.
sinabi.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Some
Are
heated.
you gonna stay now?
Damn.
I'll get you to
I'll
stay.
stay, but I need to go to the banyo first. That was
Here.
some
I got you, I got you.
that was some heated rivalry.
But really
shit.
though, I wanna know.
Yeah.
What? Okay.
They saw Dog Show Divas and they're like, you know what this needs? A straight conjugate. And they'll be number one. But yeah.
So
What's
what-
up? What's up?
What's that main thing? Of course, something happened, and if it's too personal, you can let go of this topic.
Yeah, man.
Pero
I'll tell you the personal reason, man.
okay.
I want to find my dad.
God
And I
damn.
can't do it if I'm, attending these every week. I have to search.
So kasalanan ng tatay mo. Ba't nasisira yung show?
He's broken everything else in my life. So
He's broken up every family.
yeah, you and my mom can relate. But it's time to search for my true dad. And I have to search maybe in Mindanao or something. I don't know.
What is he doing there?
He seems like a Davao
Mindanaoan.
kind of guy.
Okay.
Dad! Hello!
Tito.
Dito! Peace bomb naman dyan.
That would be a cool story if I find out na he's from Davao and then me and Davao Conyo are related.
God damn! By the way, Davao Conyo is
Baka
the
naman.
nicest person I've met in public.
Oh,
Like,
yeah,
first
you
time
met him.
namin
You met him na.
magkita
Uh-huh.
like somewhere. I'm not gonna say where.
Yeah, don't
Pero, dude, hindi ko siya napansin. And siya pa yung, tumawag sa akin. Sobrang nahiya ako. Like, holy shit. Hello,
Shit.
hello Davao Conyo, sir. Sabi ko,
Yeah. Then you brought out your autograph notebook.
Yeah.
Like, can you
Sabi
make
niya,
this
"Uy,
out
hello,
to...
Leland. Ikaw pala. Hindi.
Oh, man.
But yeah,
I'm gonna miss-
hopefully, Davao Conyo, we get to see you here.
I'm going to be so jealous when I see all the cool guests that you get.
Definitely.
Even
I will personally message you everything.
He'll send you screenshots.
Yung
Parang,
tipong
wait,
mga-
nag-yes, oh.
Yung mga idols ko.
Naglalaplapan kami ni Pao. Ganun.
Hindi to-
Ooh, you're gonna miss that, Judd.
Oh, man. At least I get to watch it in the comfort of my bed. What do you call this? And then, yeah, even the last guest, the Galactic Shark, I'm gonna be so inget na when you guys geek over the next Doomsday or next Avengers. Like, fuck. So yeah, it was tough. It was tough, man.
Really,
Yeah.
you're leaving something.
Not that it's going up, man. That is going up.
Hopefully.
Dude, the
Pero
ratings
what?
are so good.
I don't think
The
you're
followers are
telling
increasing.
us the whole story.
Which is why
You can say that it's not the whole story and we'll talk about it later. But if it is, I'm not gonna accept it. So please,
Wait, what do you mean? You're not gonna accept
if
it?
you don't want to talk about the real reason behind you leaving, just tell me right now.
Okay.
Pero, if you're indeed telling the entire story or the reason why you're leaving, I think you're lying, man.
All right, guys.
So it's not really a choice. Either you tell me later,
And then-
or I call you out now that you're lying.
And then he's gonna turn off the lights. There's gonna be a
There's gonna
swinging
be a
light.
spot. And yeah.
Where's are we done? But I mentioned actually, I hinted at the start na the reason I'm leaving talaga is the real reason is I just love Vietnamese food so much na I want to move
To
to
Vietnam.
Vietnam
What the fuck?
and learn how to make pho. Yeah, I'm gonna call
We'll have
it.
more fun here.
Oh
Yeah.
shit!
Sorry.
Well, funny enough, that's the name of my restaurant there. I'll call it Only Funs
Bakit may N bigla?
because we accept all the ends.
All the ends,
ends.
all the
Yeah,
ends
it's
are
the first.
welcome.
Yeah.
The first.
It's the first all-inclusive.
It's the first Vietnamese restaurant with. What the fuck? That's right. Neighbors with neighbors.
Okay.
Okay, but what
Well,
kind of creative career do you want to pursue? Kasi, okay, Judd, after this episode, I'm gonna have to answer a lot of questions from not only from the guests but also from the fans. How would I say na that's all there is?
Dude, feel ko naman. Feel ko out of the 100% of staplers. Feel ko mga 10%
That's
lang
not true.
are judged,
I don't think
will
so.
misjudge. Kasi parang,
Nah.
No, I really don't think so. There's
there
a
are
lot.
times where you just like when we post those collab videos and then if it's just you and me and walang big star attached, parang it gets like sakto views.
Because they're
lang.
used to us.
No, walang
Yeah,
nothing
it's
special.
not just us. We're not special. They see us every episode. So why is it a big deal?
Gets. But sige, to
Unless
answer,
we're saying something really, really good.
yeah, man, like
Really good.
Korean food,
Yeah.
kimchi sucks.
Bro, kimchi
Joke lang.
rocks.
I've been trying
It
to get
does,
into
yeah.
kimchi. This is very tantayan of
Oh,
me.
who's kimchi?
Huh?
Sorry. Said you're trying to
Kimchi
get the
is
He's this nice little boy.
nice little boy. Right amount of
This is my last episode. I have no chance to correct anything if I
wala
say
na.
something.
episode.
But I've been really getting into kimchi because of the probiotics. It's a very
Okay, yeah.
Tantayan.
What is up with probiotics, bro?
Dude, you need
Well,
it.
healthy gut health, man.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
getting there up
I
in
like-
age, you
yeah.
know.
Exactly.
It's
And you know what they
important.
say, diba? Healthy gut,
Healthy butt.
healthy butt. You notice I don't have a butt, man.
Why
And-
are you asking me that? Do you ever have you have
I
I ever
noticed. I noticed, John. Don't worry.
Thank you. Real bro.
Yeah.
I've noticed if you've had a butt. No, that was cringe. But yeah, I need
I
that.
think you're dodging a lot of questions.
Yes, sige. To answer. That's serious na because I ran out of pre-written jokes. No, there's really not much to it. Parang I just feel like, although this is such an awesome podcast, I don't think it's a fit nga for me creatively.
Creatively.
And I feel like
Because you want to do improv.
sorry.
You want to do improv more.
Well, that's one of my plans. But
Right?
I remember
You have a new group.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, I want to plug this new group.
Yeah.
It's my improv duo with my girlfriend. Shout out Ali. I love you.
Shout out, Ali.
Shout out.
I formed an improv group with my girlfriend because it's what do you call this? Because she can't get enough. I can't get enough time with her. But yeah, it's called Little Odd Improv, and you can follow us on Instagram. And yeah, we're gonna do more shows hopefully this year. So we're jamming, we're posting stuff on our Instagram
That's
at Little
nice.
Prov Improv.
That's nice.
At Little Odd Improv.
Yeah. I was there
Ayun.
during your birthday show. It was very, very fun. Yeah. I enjoyed the dynamics of you guys. You were really cute together during the thing.
Actually, yeah, it was. I've performed in other groups before, but apparently this is one of the first, or at least a time where it was most apparent na parang ang lakas ng kilig factor when we were performing na parang
Talaga?
I thought kasi my goal as a comedian naman is like parang when we do scenes dapat may laughter.
Pero yun, kilig.
But there were times na okay lang if there was no laughter as long as there was no silence. And instead of the silence, there was like yeah. woohoo.
So kayo ang Kathniel ng improv world.
I would
Ganun.
say, yeah.
Okay,
Let's
yeah.
go.
Wait, they didn't end.
Oh, yeah, oo nga pala.
So,
Sobrang di ko na-realize yun.
we're the Marvin Agustin and
Sino? Sige, tuloy mo. Sino? Expose yourself right
Jolina!
now. Yan.
Jolina.
Okay.
'Cause I remember
Hindi rin naging sila dyan eh.
Huh? Aren't they together? No. Huh? They're husband and
I
wife.
don't know.
Okay, Julia's here by the way, guys, and she's like, no,
Naging
no.
sila eh.
I'm not gonna
Love
attempt
team
to
lang
know.
sila.
Sige,
Up to
magbanggit
now.
ka pa ng isa.
Okay, if not them, si Bongbong Marcos and
There you go.
Si what's her name?
Sino? Sige.
Sino?
Si First Lady.
Okay.
So yeah, kami yung
Si Araneta, di ba?
Yeah, Lisa.
kami yung Marcoses ng improv community.
Let's go. Clip that
Let's go,
shit.
yes.
And
Let's
then
go.
post na natin agad.
Yeah.
Naka-loop siya ng 30 seconds. Kami ang...
We'll get the ticket sales. Just
Yeah,
a different
definitely.
demographic.
Okay. So I'm expecting a lot of content.
Actually, yeah.
Kasi if I don't see shit, it means that you didn't want to be part of this podcast anymore for that just because ayaw mo. Not for another creative tawag dito, career.
Actually, you asked me nga this when I first told you, parang, what's next? Parang, what are you gonna do if not this? And then, true enough, nga, the primary reason is more of like I wanna step away because I feel like it doesn't feel like a right fit now. So the main
Right.
goal was really, in a way, parang I don't want na.
Magka-stand up ka pa rin.
And then, secondary na yung, okay, since I don't want now, how else am I gonna achieve since I don't have the podcast now, but I still want to be a successful comedian. Yeah, it begs the second goal now. Okay, what am I gonna do? So that was actually a secondary, to be honest, it was a secondary, objective now. Okay, what else am I gonna do? But the main one was like, I felt like it was a disservice. Nga. If I
That's true,
to
'cause
myself, maybe, and even maybe to the podcast, if like I force myself to stay in, parang I feel like, oh, it doesn't feel right na.
Yeah, and
Baka
you
I
don't
won't
wanna-
perform well.
Yeah, you don't want to half-ass this, or like you want to at least be 100% present here. And then since you're not able to give that, parang you don't want to let yourself devolve into something else. Na, you might not be giving your full 100% here anymore, which is
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Is there anything you've ever half-assed? Like for me, I had like parang you try to force yourself to stay.
Oh
and
yeah,
then
definitely.
parang because your heart wasn't into it, you half-assed it, and it was just bad for everyone. Like for me, it was like probably when I was in banking, ganon.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Like we all do so many things in life that it's kind of just stuff that we have to do instead of stuff that we want to do.
Amen.
But then you also have to do those things to kind of fuel. No, I don't know. But you kind of have to do those things to fuel what you want, because like how everyone they have their day job to fuel their side hustle and everything. Like you do the day job until you can make your side hustle your real job. And then I guess, when it comes to being in a place, like you can only have a maximum threshold of, things na kaya mong damdamin or kaya
Yeah,
mong
yeah.
So it's a smart decision. It's a very cool thing to be able to say na parang, oh nga, maybe this is not where I belong for certain things. And that's very okay because it's part of your story. It's part of self-growth, I guess. I don't know.
I like this guy.
You like this guy?
Yeah, man. And
So magpalit. Diyan. Dito ako.
parang you can clip that whole thing na and we'll be
Yeah.
like, damn, this
God
is an
damn,
intellectual.
He's right with those beautiful eyes.
Actually, I forgot my name looking at them, but I learned a
But
lot
he's
about
right.
life.
Like, tama siya eh. Parang may threshold ka eh.
It reminds me of what Dave Chappelle said in one of his
What, the N-word? Sabi niya?
I think about that all the time.
Yeah.
No, it's the bird revelation. Ata. Yung tipong he talked about the.
So you're telling me na
That's right.
you're
I'm
stepping away from $50 million
no.
and
This was the Chappelle show.
Oh.
No. No, we get paid more. So
much more.
no, this reminds me more of like not to compare this show to banking or this Dave Chappelle analogy, but diba he talked about yung sex worker, yung prostitute.
Yeah, I remember this
tell
one.
the story.
Parang Dave Chappelle read this book all about this famous pimp from the old days, and then in that book it talked about how he understood that every prostitute sex worker that he employed has a limited number of
Okay.
Work to be done.
jobs.
Yeah.
Jobs. And it's the same
Kailangan mo
thing.
sabihin dyan, hindi magigets nung iba. May mga bobong nakikinig.
Okay.
You have to elaborate.
I believe in the intelligence of the staplers, but by jobs meaning like sleep nights with
Okay,
clients.
sabi ni Dave Chappelle,
We're too
may
polite.
pimp daw sa book. Si Fatboy, Hindi.
Or slim, something slim, ice cold.
Ice.
Yes, Stone. Is it Stone? No.
Icebox slim.
Ice.
Basta si pimp.
Si Pimp.
Ice something ice whatever.
Yeah.
Ice pick.
Ice.
Ice pick.
Taga-Tondo
From
siya.
Taga-Tondo.
Alright.
Sabi niya
okay.
may number of tumbongs lang daw. Hindi, joke lang. May every prostitute has ano ba tawag doon? Limited amount of fucks na kaya nilang gawin before they give up. Before they reach
They're
a
all out.
threshold na,
Yeah.
no, I can't do it anymore.
And he compared it to even 9-to-5 jobs. That's why there's such a thing as 9-to-5 lang. Kasi
Yes.
if you push them to work all day,
Yeah, no,
they'll run out. They'll need to rest.
Parang sabi niya, there's a reason why we're only working 9 to 5 because 9 to 6 might kill a bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sabi niya.
But again, this is not to compare this show to sex work. Although
No, it's a
if
good
if
analogy also.
The price is right.
It basically burnout siya.
Yeah.
But
That's
I think I'm far pa from that.
Why are
Kasi
you
I'm
quitting
having
now?
so much fun. I think it might get to that.
Really?
Maybe. But
Okay,
I feel like
I respect that. I didn't mean
I
to.
feel like right now it's fun and everything, but I have concluded na baka it's not the right fit nga
Parang I guess ayaw mong
for
maabot
everyone,
dun sa
for me.
Ayaw mong umabot dun sa point na it might be bad.
Yeah, and I feel like okay, let's say it might take me a year or multiple years to get to that path from now. If I already know as early as now, parang okay, this is not naman the right fit for me. I thought, okay, it's to respect the show, to respect Leland. Baka since I'm sure na, I'll step away and join Dog Show Divas.
Yeah.
Baos, I'm waiting for your reply. I know you.
Nag-a-apply.
I know you want me.
Alam mo yung ginagawa mo ngayon? Nagko-quit ka na sa job mo without a backup plan.
Yeah. To be vulnerable, it's a dumb, in a way, it's on paper or in one way, it's a very dumb decision because I also realized, fuck, it's gonna be harder to start from scratch. Parang,
It's not dumb. I think it's if you're trusting your gut, if it's what your gut is trying to tell
That's
you
a good
na step
term.
away, you should go for it.
oh,
because-
thanks, dude.
No, I'm just saying this for formality.
It's for the fans.
Hindi, joke lang. No, but seriously, nag-quit ako ng trabaho ko with everyone telling me na, no, you need that. Family, close friends, ganyan. Yung mga close friends na may paki sa'yo, Not yung, di bro, go lang.
Oo.
Hindi ganun. Parang they're all telling me na,
Kaya mo yan?
check mo muna if kaya.
Mhm.
Ganyan. But, yung gut mo talaga, hindi. I think, if meron kang vision na tingin mo kaya mong gawin, na hindi nakikita ng ibang tao, I think all of the time you should go for it. Na parang,
Yes.
kasi yung vision mo sa'yo lang yan eh. Other people don't see my vision and my dream or fantasy, hindi siya fantasy, dream
Yeah.
or a goal for the podcast,
Which
for
is making out
myself.
with Pao. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a
kasi-
fantasy.
Why would how would they see your vision if it's too superficial to them?
And far, I
And
guess.
far, na
yeah,
parang-
yeah, yeah.
They would only see it if they really, really believe in what you're doing.
Or trust. Nah.
And most of the time, no one does.
Dude, when I told some people like my family, dude, okay, fine. I talked to my dad. So that was a lie.
So you found him?
I found him. Hooray!
Thank God!
Yeah.
Diyan lang pala sa QC.
You're not from Davao pala. When I told him, because he's a fan, or at least he's a fan, or his friends or relatives would
Hello,
tell,
Tito Gregorio.
Yes, would tell him, oh, si Judd. Parang they're getting to know me more through the podcast. When I told him na I'm stepping away, parang I could tell he was sad.
That's why you're
Yes.
leaving. Because you didn't want them to know you better.
They keep asking for discounts. for this shirt.
For merch discount.
Project PH.
Projects!
Project PH.
Oh.
Na shortcut ko eh. Ayun. Yeah.
Wala, ganun kasi yung mga konyo, di ba? Starbs. Di ba? We have to shorten it or else.
This guy
Hindi siya
will-
good for the brand eh.
You will continue the Konyo agenda.
I'll try
I
my
love it, man. But yeah, I told some people were like, yeah, trust the Judd, whatever makes you happy. You can do whatever you want. But there was some na, like a friend from improv was like, he was driving me to the MRT. He was like, sayang bro talaga yung podcast. Parang ganun.
talaga?
In my head, I'm like, I'll show you.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my
That's
God,
what you do. Like sabi nila, kung ano man yung career mo, and kunyari, nag-invest ka na dun sa career mo na yun for like 8,
That's what they
10
know you
years.
for.
That's what they know you for. Of course, sabihin nila, bro, ang ganda nung progress mo dito. Sayang kung aalis ka to pursue something else na
yeah.
back from scratch ka.
Yeah, Dave Chappelle.
Yeah, 'di ba? So parang lahat ng tao sasabihin sa'yo na, bakit? Why?
Yeah, man.
Only you will know the real reason behind it, and only you will have the confidence to say na, no, it is the right decision and I'll prove to everyone that it's the right decision. But in order to do that, you need to
to
succeed.
work. Yeah.
Not just work.
Yeah.
Succeed.
You need to let them see that you're succeeding in what you're doing.
Two things, man. Like, first, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity nga to really just talk about it in length. Kasi on paper, it looks so stupid na why are you leaving, Judd? You get to talk to Sam G and Monty from Mayonnaise. So why are you leaving? Parang if I don't explain myself nga, it really looks like, oh, Judd was fired. Parang, something happened. Parang, so thanks so much for letting me clear
No one
the
gets
air.
fired because no one's employed.
Yeah, we're all clowns here. There's no paper.
Anyway.
And second is going to what you said. I feel glad that I was brave enough to make this decision, but it comes with pressure na. Na parang, okay, Judd, how are you gonna top this? syempre the goal sana is I'll still be successful even on
Yeah.
whatever I do, improv, stand up, stripper work.
I'd pay for that.
especially the
Ringside.
especially the stripper work. I've been. What do you think of this?
Oh, it's good. Way better than I can
I
move.
love this guy. I love this guy.
Stiff as fuck.
Oh my God.
What do you call it? What is that? Where was I? Sorry, I got in the zone. Pressure. What was I saying?
Like you have something that you're chasing, sort of.
Yeah, and then I don't wanna. My fear is I don't wanna disappear. Parang, whatever happened to Judd? He was a co-host. Oh nga pala, he was a co-host. Oh nga pala, iba yung host. Hindi pala yung. It wasn't.
Kami ni Pao. Ha? Sino yun?
But the Devil Wears Prada too. Have you seen the teaser for that?
Dude, baka may in the future may live recording kayo sa sa silo or something. Tapos may red carpet kayo and you'll see some beggar on the street. Parang,
Nah.
bro, could I have
Nah.
some change? Who are you again? It's me, Judd. It's me, Judd.
I don't think so.
Podcast
I really don't think
It's
so.
not gonna be that big.
Oh, come on, man. Nah, I think whenever you're modest, man, I think you're lying or you're being polite. But I know you believe that
That what?
you can reach height.
Of course, I'm not gonna. Well, you
like
don't.
Silo, at least.
Only you will, Only you. Paano ba ito sasabihin? Ikaw lang yung hopeful sa ginagawa mo eh. That's what I've learned. Na parang no one's gonna be hopeful beside you.
If meron, it's a bonus.
Yeah,
it's
that's
a
a very big
bonus.
bonus.
if
Your mom
you-
believes in you.
Yeah, I mean, that's a given. But really, if they're not your son, are you gonna... if, for example, a random person, I'm gonna have a podcast.
We're gonna record
Bakit si Cat
in
Williams?
I
will have a podcast.
Yeah, we're gonna record in Araneta Coliseum.
Yeah. But, it's about you. It's not about me.
Okay, but I will compliment you some more before I leave. But anyway,
okay.
so yeah, that's there's pressure, but hopefully I rise above it.
Okay.
If not,
Pero wait, nandito na tayo sa
ooh,
who's on your list?
Ooh.
wait, who does it now?
Done.
Si Pao.
Okay.
Who's on your list?
I love that. No, wait, si Gav was I think laughing or something, or si Jeff. I love it. A part of me is kind of mad because it was better. It was better than my tune. Who's on your list?
Isa pa. Dito na tayo sa who's on your list.
Who's on your list?
Oh, this guy's got options.
Oh, I told you, big shoes to fill, man. I gotta.
This guy,
Naging radio DJ siya. Who's on
and I
your
love how
list?
you just found out about this recently, and may options ka na.
By the way, ngayon lang nalaman ni Pao.
Yeah, I found out when I got here.
Yeah,
You know?
sabi ko, Pao, are you free? Can you co-host?
Like,
Sabi
yeah.
na, yeah, sure.
But yeah, okay, who's on your list? So yeah. Oh, I've always wanted to answer these.
Okay.
Top three toddlers.
Top 3.
So no, up to you.
Okay, here's the thing. Top 3
Nah.
Vietnamese food.
Thank
all
you.
time.
This is harder than it looks.
It
I've
is,
always saw the guests parang, why are they thinking so much? It's harder pala. But I'd go with
What are they thinking so?
I have to go with the old reliable banh mi.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Okay, after mo i-bash yung banh mi.
And I'd say the best banh mi that I would recommend is Propaganda. See, I know my shit. Propaganda from Molito, Alabang.
Oh shit, it's good.
It's
I
good,
haven't
and I
tried.
think it comes with a side of weirdly enough fries. So I mean, mas
Fries?
Western shit. Yeah, it eases you in,
So
and then
propaganda,
fusion.
baka naman.
Yeah.
and then I thought baguettes will always cut your mouth. Their
not.
baguettes are fluffy, full of air in a good way. Nah, it's gentle, parang flaky.
Oh,
And
that's
it's
nice.
17 and below. Their baguettes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the kimchi. Love you, boy.
Stop doing that, bro. Why
You brought it back there.
yeah, but you're
You brought it back there.
going too far.
The yes end is strong. Second would be, gotta go with pho. And the best pho. That I've tried. It's that place that you mentioned in Pobla.
Wait.
Wait.
Hanoi
Hanoi
Pho.
Hanoi
It
Pho.
was recommended by Ikoy.
Ikoy, yeah, and Aaron then. I didn't order it. That's how much I was ignorant. But my girlfriend ordered it. Shout out Ali. And she made me taste it. And damn, dude,
Sarap.
it cured my soul. I think I didn't need a dad. For that spoonful of that moment, I didn't need a dad anymore.
Okay.
But alas, it ran out. She was like, stop finishing my soup. And okay. Then I cried again.
That moment, I didn't need a dad anymore.
Yeah, but it was just one
Yun
moment.
dapat yung nilalagay sa t-shirt. At that moment, I didn't need a dad anymore.
They're gonna clip this for their advertising for the next one at that moment.
So yeah, what a full circle moment. I'm not talking about Vietnamese food. And then to round up the list, I finally tried bún cha. Bún cha, tama, bún
okay.
cha.
That should be top 1.
Yeah. Okay. True. I guess I'm getting to know it pa lang. But I really enjoyed my first ever bún cha from the place in BGC naman. Na
Wait.
Michelin na siya.
M. Hanoi?
M. Hanoi, dude.
Yeah. Easy access dun.
Gago. I'm not sure if I did it right, but I mixed it all. They give you the big bowl.
Did you put the noodles inside?
They give you they give me a so there's the sauce and the meat and then the noodles around it. I had a small bowl and I searched it on TikTok. That's how bad I was. I didn't know how to eat it, so I searched on
That's
TikTok.
fine.
Yeah.
How do you do it? And they were mixing it in the small bowl. Where you get a bit of noodles, bit of soup, bit of meat, put it in the small bowl and eat it. I realized
Wait lang, nasan yung dahon?
may dahon din, may dahon din.
Okay.
I realized I think kasi they were sharing it. Like I didn't need to because I had it all for myself.
No, it's fine kasi you have it all in a small container.
Pero
Na mas madali siyang i-contain.
True. But what do you do? Do you put it all in the big bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I took so long.
Ang ginagawa ko is dahon, di ba?
Uh-huh.
Lettuce yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Is it a lettuce?
There are two types ata.
Oh, marami, iba-iba eh.
Yeah.
So, dahon, and then noodles, and then the meat. Kung
the
anong meat
balls.
man. Kung
May
yung
chicken, may
liempo,
beef.
yung medyo burger-ish
Na
na
meatball.
meatball.
Yeah, dude.
And then the sauce.
Yeah.
And then wrap it up.
Oh, it's in your hand.
Tapos susubo mo sa kadit.
Aw.
Here you
That's
go,
the tip.
pal.
That's gonna be us on the next episode. I'm gonna be wrapping it up and feeding Leland.
Naging,
Thank you.
naging cooking episode na. Okay, wait. What was I gonna say? Okay. I
Okay.
forgot na. But
So,
yeah.
Grabe yung redemption arc mo.
Gago, no?
From hating Vietnamese people to loving
Whoa.
Food.
People.
Food.
And their country.
Yeah.
And
Their
their
And
flag.
delicacies.
Yeah.
It's okay, I'm leaving anyway.
Saying that they deserved Agent Orange. Whatever.
Oh!
Di ba? That's too much?
I'm not
Wait lang,
that reckless.
Vietnam yun, di ba?
Yeah, Vietnam.
Yeah. I went to their
Tama.
museum nga. They talked about it.
Yeah,
They
and I
showed
was-
the photos of them getting
Okay.
affected.
Eto never go to any Vietnamese museum with friends.
Why?
Because whenever gago, may isang friend, di ko sabihin
So
syempre
go
kung sino.
family lang. ganun.
Natingin siyang gano'n, no? Tapos titingin siya sa mga victims nung Agent Orange. And he's gonna look at me and parang, diba? What the fuck? Di ba? Ang daming tao. And ang hirap mag-contain ng laughter. So, kailangan mo lumabas. So, parang, man. So, yun lang.
Have you ever been to Vietnam?
It's
I
sad.
have,
It's
yeah.
not even
It's sad.
funny. It's
Yeah.
fucking
You
sad.
monsters.
The
You
thing is,
monsters.
when you're with your friends don't care about the well-being at the current time.
I mean,
They care about the fun you're gonna have.
I mean, they won already. I mean,
Nakaganon pa yung isang, may tropa ako, nakaganon pa siya. Tapos pagkatabi ko na siya, titingnan ko rin, di ba? Gano'n siya.
gago.
Tapos mag-make ng face, malamang tatawa ka so lalabas ka.
Yeah, because the tension is there. Because you know you're not supposed to laugh. So it becomes 10 times funnier.
Oo, gago. Saka sobrang tahimik. Parang library siya. Anyway.
I never laughed at there was a purple. It was like purple photos, diba?
I think so. I don't know.
Well, anyway, did you guys try the Coochie tunnels?
I did. I do remember
Yeah,
that.
man.
But I remember trying to fit into one of the holes.
Yeah.
Pero di ako kasya.
Oo, gago. Like, tsaka nakakatakot eh.
Yeah, imagine that people there
Parang
were
i-prank
from.
ka. Tapos nandun ka lang.
Hindi ka na
Gago,
makalabas.
man. But yeah,
Anyway.
fitting into holes.
Anyway, yun lang.
That's what she
Redemption arc.
said. All right, take me
And-
back, Vietnamese fans.
And for the last time, bro. It's time
Wow.
for the final
Wow.
unfiltered takes.
Unfiltered takes. Aww.
Yeah.
My goal is one of us cries at the end of this episode.
Wait lang, pwede bang sabihin mo ulit yun? Kasi ipi-play namin sa show.
Oh, cool. Sige.
It's now time for...
Unfiltered takes. Ayan.
Okay.
Walang lisp na yan.
Pa-mark na lang nun. Kasi gagamitin
I can
namin.
do 10 more.
Okay.
Wow. Naging
Okay.
shoot.
So,
Okay.
for one last time, ano ang unfiltered take ni Jad Gregorio?
Sige. After this, I want to hear, like, takes maybe from Pao.
Yeah,
maybe
for
you.
sure.
Yeah.
All right, I thought about this. But for me to say this take, I'll say a pre-take. The pre-take is, I've always been scared to talk about Jesus or say his name. Yeah, we're going there. If it's for fun lang, if it's for jokes. Because I thought, okay, don't say the Lord's name in vain.
So, yung pinili niya yung last episode. Kasi alam niya, na pag sinabi niya to, tas nandito pa rin siya, he's gonna receive a lot of backlash.
Dude, I'm like that employee sa last day of work.
Oh,
na
parang,
parang,
fuck this shit.
oh, I'm gonna just, steal all the office supplies. But yeah, I remember we had that episode with C. Romar and we got so much hate from just
Talaga?
talking mga
yung
conservative,
that one
yung
clip.
conservative
We didn't even
Catholics.
say shit.
Yeah, we didn't, but they were like, guys shouldn't say joke about Jesus.
It's not even a joke.
Yeah, I mean we were
It was serious talk.
We were actually trying to make Jesus look good. Yeah, we weren't dunking on him.
Yeah.
Anyway,
He's cool.
I like Jesus.
yeah, this is a Jesus friendly pod. But anyway, yeah, my pre-take is, I used to think don't say his name in vain, but I realized based on what Pope Francis said, something about, if you make someone laugh, you're making God laugh. I think as long as you're doing it to make people laugh and spread joy, Jesus won't mind. So with that said, my real take is about Jesus. And I feel like my take is, he would be so great at unfiltered takes. Like, imagine if he was here and we were back in the, his time, BC, whatever. He said some weird ass stuff at the time. At the time, parang, if you get slapped in one cheek, I believe we should offer the other cheek, bro. Parang, like, what the fuck, Jesus? Explain! And then he would explain. He would explain so well. He obviously workshopped it with his disciples. And then, dude, he would get a lot of views for sure.
Yeah.
Or yung tipong, he even tore down existing trends. Like the trend before was like, there are 10 commandments. He was like, nah, bro. Let's just simplify it to 2. Parang love yourself and love God. No need for the complicated stuff. It's all love. So parang, what? This guy is wild, man. But it was always smart and it was always me intelligence behind it. And he was correct in the end. So
May
I think
empathy lag.
may empathy, and it's to make the world a better place. So I believe Jesus is the GOAT of saying unfiltered takes. So
Yeah, and I think some of the things that he said, whether in the Bible or
in the
Friends,
spin-offs, yeah.
Yeah.
Like
Spin-offs.
yung sitcom niya.
Yeah. Feeling ko, some of those were supposed to be jokes lang. But
Yes.
people took it the wrong way. Kasi yung sense of humor niya, sobrang advanced.
Hmm.
Na not a lot of his friends, why would you say that?
I mean,
Why would you?
I mean, yeah.
Parang they couldn't comprehend it humorously. Parang there was a missing link.
Either that or the people who observed them were too
Yeah.
serious.
They weren't
That's
comedy
all.
fans.
Yeah. Yung
It's
disciples,
like-
I think, gets naman
Yeah,
nila.
they get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were laughing.
They're homies.
Yeah, they're homies.
And some of the spies were like, oh, he said this, he said this.
Dude, what? I don't get it. Mustard seed? Ano yan?
Yeah. No.
Pero, but even if ever they were jokes, I feel like he had a point. It's always like, it's based off truth. Na, tama nga, like, if you're too rich, it's gonna be hard for you to be humble. Parang ganon.
That's fair.
Right.
To enter eye of a needle. Parang ganon. So,
Are you a big Jesus fan?
you're from UST, right?
I was from USD. I was raised Catholic, and I do believe in Jesus, but I'm not super spiritual
Yes,
in that
yes.
sense.
I get it.
yeah.
like-
you like the physical side.
No.
Okay.
It's like
Sorry.
I feel this might be my hot take, but like I feel like
Oh,
the
nice.
way organized religion is kind of didn't capture the essence na talaga, because people corrupt everything.
For sure.
And there's like a certain way na I'm sure no one's perfect because only God is the perfect one. So I'm sure there's in some step of the ladder may nagkamali. somewhere.
For sure.
Yeah,
Oo.
dude.
Imposibleng walang room
Oo.
for air nun.
Sabi nga nila, the way we perceive nga is imperfect eh. So parang there will be mistakes along the way.
Yeah, so it's unfair to kind of wrap religion as you're just in that bubble. You have to kind of understand where it's coming from.
Tama. Hirap nga ng pass the message sa mga party games.
Oh, exactly.
Gago yun pala, di ba? The fact na magkakaharap na kayo.
Tapos nagkakamali pa kayo.
Nagkakamali pa kayo.
Ano
Diba?
daw, si Hitler?
Actually, meron talagang 15 commandments. Pero yung 10, sasabihin na lang daw mamaya. Tapos yung sabi nila,
Pagkatapos
meron
ng
daw
rap.
10 commandments. Tapos nag-iiba-iba na.
Yun.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang, come on, ilang thousands of years.
Ilang languages pa. Tagalog pa
Yeah.
lang, I will fuck it up eh.
Oo.
Kung,
Di ba?
If you tell me something yesterday, iba din yung masasabi ko di ba?
Yeah.
Kahapon lang yun. Di ba?
Oh.
yeah, dude.
Iba pa yung whenever we read something, iba lahat ng interpretation natin dun. So even if you're basing us from a book or the Bible, the way you digest the story and tell it to another person would also differ from your perspective. 'Di ba? Ay, from other people's perspective. So parang it's hard.
It's hard, man.
Lost in
So,
translation lagi.
so yeah. Take nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, okay.
But do you have a
Like a read.
another
What is
take?
Pao Katigbak's first unfiltered
Yeah.
take?
Okay, so my first unfiltered take is, alam mo yung nakapila ka sa restaurant or coffee shop or anywhere,
Okay.
tas ang haba nung pila. Tas yung nasa harap mo, as soon as they get to the front, parang 10 minutes silang nag-iisip, ano ba yung order ko? Gago na sa pila ka na eh.
Yeah, dude.
Parang make up your mind. Anyway, that's...
I'm sorry about that, by the
Yeah,
way.
it's
I wanted the matcha, but they also had a new a toffee nut or
Seasonal
whatever.
eh.
Yeah,
Oh,
me
seasonal.
too. May some-
Seasonal eh.
No, but then you
may
have-
almonds?
You have the entire
Okay.
line to think about what you want.
Okay.
Nandun na nga yung menu.
I agree with you like 90%, but I realize there are times where you walk, when you're finally in the front row, VIP section of the line,
Standing.
you see something new in the, in the
Tas nawa-wipe yung
little,
utak.
may brochure
Yeah, okay.
or may stand, na parang, no way, may mint? Parang gano'n. So it fucks you up. It fucks
Merong
You know, I get
hibiscus?
What? And it's meant to kind of sell you that new shit eh.
Yeah.
That's fair, yeah.
But that is annoying though. Lalo na if
It-
you have to go.
Yeah, like if you're in a rush.
Especially if you're pang 10 ka sa, kunyari, pang 10 ka sa pila.
You had time.
Talaga.
Time.
You had time, man.
Ngayon ka lang magsasabi na iba na lang pala.
Most people kasi they're on their phones.
That's true.
Yeah.
It's
You know, trying to craft your jokes to say in the podcast. Parang
Yeah.
ganon.
By the way, when this episode comes out, tapos na tayo sa
The live.
sa show.
Yeah, man.
So thank you so much for
It was
to
amazing.
everyone who bought tickets. It was an amazing show. Grabe. Grabe yung unfiltered takes nyo.
Daming guest appearances.
Oh,
Grabe.
grabe. Sila Andren Bernardo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the stars.
all the
all
big
the-
names.
Sila sila
Si Mr. Brickwall.
Si
Si Mr. Brickwall.
Si Mr.
dude.
Brickwall. Yeah.
Tanda na yun. he made it all the way.
It's not going well. Patapos na tayo. So biglang,
I like how we're in the thank you portion, but yeah, I know we have one more segment before
So
I
what
say thank
is-
you.
for all of the staplers and listeners, iba yung staplers sa listeners eh. Alam mo ba yun?
Staplers.
Staplers are
Yeah.
top tier
Yeah, we
Oh,
love
yeah.
them.
listeners eh.
Yeah.
Listeners is, ano ba? Saan ba galing yung stapler? Anong episode ba? Stapler.
Ano ba sila? Mga radio jockeys?
If you guys are wondering saan nang galing yung stapler, panoorin yung episode with Aaron Cristobal. Episode number
3, I believe, is
Three.
it Ruth, Patrick, Aaron.
Episode number 3. Doon nagsimula ang stapler
By the way,
origins.
di ba, you mentioned more, I want to introduce more about Pao. Like, you mentioned because he's new, right, to the walang edit universe.
Yes.
You mentioned you're only child. Is that
I am,
correct?
yes, I am an only child.
Okay.
I'm so surprised kasi he's really kind for an only child.
Ganun kasama yung mundo eh. No? No, when you meet
I don't know,
someone who's genuinely a nice person, you would point it out.
And I don't know, this is someone else's take. Parang learned this from a friend or something na parang they believe, not me, they believe that only children are kind of weird.
Talaga?
Kasi, and the type of weird is medyo mean sila or selfish sila because yung theory niya, yung take niya, so I forgot who this friend was. Parang when you are an only child, you don't get to practice how to compromise, how to share, how to parang all your parents can do is good for you and then you don't have to practice parang yun, like letting other siblings shine muna, ganon, hand me down. So when you get to work with people in the real world, parang you have to learn how to
Parang it's like you don't have that initial social bouncing off of the thing.
yeah, or to step back a little. So would you say how did you end up so kind, man?
I don't know, man.
Kindest guy.
No, I grew up with a big family. So my mom and all her 4 sisters lived together. So lahat ng mga anak nila are kind of my siblings. So we're 9.
Okay.
So I had 9 brothers and sisters to kind of
man.
share with. So ganun talaga.
All of them look good.
They look like the cover page of Vogue or something. Vogue Philippines.
10 years old pa lang sila, nakaano na sila. May surensay.
That's the best age, actually.
Mama, what's
10
for
years
dinner?
That's the most.
Mama, what are we having for supper?
Parang when you're that guapo, you have a British accent when you're young.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
good. You watched too much Harry Potter no nahawa ka na.
man.
Why are we watching Ibulaga? Aren't we supposed to watch Friends?
It's not fair kasi they're attractive na. Tapos they're 10-year-old pa. Damn, man. Like, parang, they're 10 years old pa. Like,
Yeah. And that's it.
That's it.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.
That's the episode. That's the
But
episode.
to finally say goodbye.
Why did we end with that?
Thank you. I mean, on behalf of the entire podcast community.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Even barangay love stories?
No, like podcast. Our podcast.
Okay. I thought all the
No,
podcasts.
we're not that big.
Lalabas sila cool pa. Like,
Why do you guys?
for me.
Yeah.
We need the studio, guys.
Yeah, kanina pa kayo, OT. But to wrap it up, thank you for
Oh, God.
participating as the main co-host for the thousands and thousands of episodes that we've recorded. And I want you to give I'm giving you a moment to thank everyone and to finally say your goodbyes.
Yeah, man. So I won't answer na yung question
Yung-
from the previous episode.
Ako nga pala, no? Meron
Or we'll
tayo.
save it for the
yeah,
next.
yeah. Actually, answer that and then final.
Oh, damn it. I was like, woo.
Ito ang walang edit question.
All right. So my job was usually to
Oh, that's okay.
to bring it up because
Okay, so
He's a trainee. He's a
Yeah,
trainee.
it's a try. It's my first time, guys.
Yeah.
we'll make you watch the training video.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the onboarding.
So the so the question from the last episode, our special guest was Galactic Shark.
Yep.
Galactic shark.
Galactic shark.
UST alum din.
Oo nga, UST.
Roar.
Yes. And his question was, if there was a character who you would swap ethnicities, who would it be?
You know what?
If there's a superhero,
Yeah,
no,
superhero character
that
you'd
you
swap.
would swap races,
Yes.
who would it be and why that race?
All right. Thank you so much, Galactic Shark, for that very galactic
Career-ending question.
career-ending
Intergalactic.
question. You know what? When we first heard that question, I was like, oh, what the fuck? That sounds so hard. But after thinking about it, it's actually not hard.
Oh, sige, go ahead.
Sige. So, I could just change anyone to Pinoy. Diba? Wouldn't that be cool? For example, favorite ko, and I might go with this na. Spider-Man. May gagamboy na. Never mind. Would be funny. The Hulk.
Okay.
I would pick the Hulk, and he would be Pinoy. Yes.
Okay, what would the origin story of Pinoy Hulk be?
Saka why?
Oh.
Why would you do that?
Because it would be so funny to see like a Hulk in a third world country na parang malnourished siya kahit na Hulk kahit Hulk na siya.
Alay, hindi ako makapag-transform.
Tapos ang sikip ng mga Esquinitas, so parang they're gonna break everything. And I think yung origin story is nahulog sila sa Pasig River. That's more radiation, more
Ay, sus, Ginoo, nagdaan na naman yung Hulk. Nasira ang aking paninda.
tsaka yung shorts niya laging bench. Parang Bench, baka naman. But yeah, there's more gamma waves, I feel like, in one drop of Pasig River,
Pasig River
water
than there is in the entire MCU.
than in the MCU.
Yung hirap
May
na
mga-
nasa EDSA siya, tapos nag-road rage, tapos biglang nasira yung kotse.
Yeah, tapos na.
Wag mo akong igagalit.
Shit,
Yes!
bro.
Yes.
Mo gagalitin.
Okay. We'll edit that
Oh
out.
my God.
We'll try to.
This is a disaster.
I know. I'll beg Leland, please make the first edit. In walang edit history and fix that.
Ikaw ha, wag mo akong galitin ha. Mag-turn ako into the Incredible Hulk.
Green ba? Will he make him
Can't
green?
you see I'm turning into green?
Like the Pasig River.
Sandali lang, bibili ako ng fishbowl.
Oh,
Kain siya
si
ganun.
Bruce Banner. Yeah, it was pretty good.
Do not make me angry.
It was pretty good. Banner. Diba?
You wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
Si Bruce Banyas. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Si Bruce. Bruce! Wala nang edit-edit.
Okay.
Final message kasi OT na sila,
shit.
Gab.
Wait, I'll say a question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's one thing? I thought of this. If you have a partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, right now, and you somehow got to travel back in time, like you're 30 now, when you go back to when you were 18 in college, and you're not yet with your current partner when you were 30, what would you do? Would you try to get with them then when you're 18, your present day partner, or will you wait till you're 30 and just be single until you're 30, or would you date around, parang have like quote unquote like some adventures before you finally become that age where you meet your present day partner? Oh, come on, that's a head jerker. Head jerker.
Okay.
Yeah,
It incorporates
Good luck.
time
Head
travel.
Scratcher.
head scratcher.
Sabi
Yeah.
ni Jules.
Thank you, Julia. You wanna be a co-host?
Head scratcher.
Head scratcher. Yeah. So yeah, need time travel.
Bobo question.
Huh? That was a little gift for you, man, because I know you like travel questions.
Okay.
Time travel.
Okay,
rather.
okay. Thank you. And Pao?
Clara naman, no, yung question.
Yeah, no, very good.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Of course, man.
I'm excited to hear the answer for that one, actually. It's a
Yeah.
very, ang daming nuance dun sa question.
Yeah, man.
So, actually, thank you for that question, Judd. Ex-co-host Gregorio. Ang,
Future Pulube.
yeah.
As if this is my day job. How am I gonna pay my bills?
But expect a number of guest co-hosts. But sure enough, Pao will stick around. Inaayos lang namin yung mga turnover files ni Judd.
Yeah, man. Hard
Yeah.
drives.
So expect some comedians na mag-visit with me and Pao here. So whatever.
Tapos may clipboard ka lagi.
Oh, okay na. Improve this, improve this.
Okay.
Mga ganyan.
May training
Interject.
wheels pa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But thank
Cancelability.
you for blessing us with your
Thanks, bro.
presence.
Thanks so
right
much,
now.
Thank you
man.
guys for having me.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
great job, dude. Like, I love your insights and then your overall energy.
Pao will
Gives
always
a
be
new-
here.
Yeah.
For the
It's the part where you rub it in.
uh,
Yeah, Pao's not going anywhere.
yeah, he's not going anywhere. He'll be here. Stick around. We'll have some fun.
But yeah, speaking of fun, thank you.
Pasalamatan mo naman TPN for welcoming
Yeah, man.
you.
I will make a long post about this, but thank you, TPN. I
Gab.
was Gab, our
Jeff.
producer, Jeff,
Ivan.
Ivan, Coffee Guy,
Philip.
Alan,
Yeah. Ina.
Big A, Ja.
Yeah, Ja.
Yeah. Thanks for treating me so nicely because I've always just been like, excuse me, I'm gonna cry. At first, I always thought I was just like, selling kit lang. I'm not really supposed to be here. But you guys treated me, like I was your son. And you let me live here and sleep here and take a bath here. So thanks for being so friendly. And speaking of thank yous, thank you to all the guests. Sorry for if I ever annoyed you guys with all the small talk before and after the episode. Thank you for all the cool experiences I got to through meeting you guys and learn from you guys. Thank you so much to Leland. This is gonna be a long one, but not a naman, but Questions we're running out of time. I can tell Leland's looking at his watch. He has an open mic to go to. Thank you so much, bro. Because I remember we were just on Zoom doing the Let Leland Lim show.
Oh yeah,
By the
that
way-
happened. But yeah.
By the way, I super recommend. By the way, I think we're even more unfiltered there because we thought no one was listening.
Yeah.
But yeah, I remember I guested once, and then after that, you were like, "Hey, do you want to be a co-host?" So thank you so much for seeing something in me, believing in me that you can withstand my annoyingness for a long period of time.
Yeah, because in every hero story, there needs to be like not a villain, but someone who would contradict and say na, "Hey, I don't like what you're saying."
But instead, I kept saying,
Yes,
"Ganda,
that's
ganda."
right.
This is like this. Speaking of superheroes, this feels like the time when Tony Stark tried to invite Peter Parker to join the Avengers, and he was like, I can't, muna. Like,
Okay.
doesn't feel right.
Yeah.
So I'm
Okay.
saying I'm saying no to the Avengers right now and all this success. But yeah, thanks, man. Like I super learned a lot from you. You made me not just a better podcaster, from learning how you think on the fly, how you interview, but also a better comedian, man. Like I learned from being around your humor. So more success to Leland in this podcast. If you liked me, please keep listening to this podcast. Make it go number 1. If you hated me, now's the time to listen to this podcast even more and have it go to number 1. And yeah, see you around, man. Thank you so much for an opportunity of a lifetime.
Palakpakan natin si Judd Gregorio one last time.
Thank you so much. You'll forget about me in a month.
Oo. At dyan, nagwawakas. Sabi nga nila, pag, ano yun? When a door closes,
Another door open.
another door opens.
Hey, did you guys practice that?
Ah,
That was pretty good.
that's pretty basic, man.
But, okay. But can you
Good
one
luck.
last favor, man?
Yeah.
No joke, you don't have to follow this, but can you title this episode as Jud Bye? Jud Bye and thank you.
Sige.
Or good night and Jud Bye. you have options.
Okay.
Joke lang, you don't have to. No,
Nah, I will do that.
no.
Para yung ratings bumaba.
All the success is getting boring.
No, but thank you so much, Judd Gregorio. You will forever be a stapler. And feel free to drop by.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's nice.
But please do it announced.
And with clothes, preferably.
And
Yeah.
with clothes. And thank you so much for being present in every episode. Thank you so much. At dun na, nagtatapos ang Judd Gregorio story. This is, walang edit. This is Judd Gregorio. Pao Katigbak, Leland Lim saying, wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.